Hey everyone! If you're as obsessed with movies as I am, you know that the magic isn't just in the acting or the stunning visuals, but deeply embedded in how the story is told. Today, let's dive into the craftsmanship behind some of the most unforgettable movie stories and uncover what really tugs at our heartstrings or keeps us on the edge of our seats. First up, it's all about the structure. Films like The Godfather and Inception excel because their stories are meticulously structured. Each act builds upon the last, escalating tension and deepening character arcs. This isn't just storytelling, it's architectural art. Next, let's talk character development. Why do characters like Andy Dufresne from Shawshank Redemption resonate so deeply with us? It's because they are written with profound emotional journeys that mirror our own struggles and triumphs. They grow, they falter, and most importantly, they evolve. It's this evolution that keeps us glued to the screen, rooting for them against all odds. Dialogue, oh the power of dialogue. Think of the crisp, unforgettable lines from Pulp Fiction. Dialogue isn't just about moving the plot along, it's about revealing the soul of the film. Great dialogue can be witty, or it can be heart-wrenching, but it always adds depth to the characters and the story. Lastly, let's not forget the theme. The best films weave a central theme throughout the narrative that speaks to universal truths. Whether it's the haunting exploration of sacrifice in Saving Private Ryan, or the playful yet poignant take on nostalgia in Midnight in Paris, these themes resonate with us on a fundamental level, long after the credits roll. So next time you watch a movie that leaves a lasting impression, take a moment to appreciate the layers of storytelling at play. Because understanding these elements doesn't just make us better viewers, it makes us better storytellers in our own right. Thanks for watching, and keep loving great stories.